Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 23. We are almost done. Thanks again for hanging out for this COOKMAS. For today's recipe, I'm going to go ahead and make some rum balls. So this is something that definitely reminds me of Christmas. It was a tradition in my family for my mom to make rum balls. They are a no-bake dessert, so they are quick and easy, yet still tasty. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Don't forget, share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you become notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so here are the rum balls. Again, this is a no-bake dessert. It is quick and easy, yet still very tasty. And you have to eat a whole bunch of these to actually feel the effects of the rum. So definitely give it a try, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys, happy holidays and take care. Bye guys.